Look at here. What is the procedure, right? Line, enter, disable all function key, right? F3 function disable, F8 function disable, F10 function disable, F11 function disable, F12 function disable. So what is the use of function key? We'll discuss later. Okay. Let's see. Execution in AutoCAD, right? Double click to start AutoCAD application. Control N, new. Select file name ACAD ISO. Select open. Clear up here. Go to workspace setting, drafting and annotation. Is it clear? Unit command UN enter. Length type decimal. Precision 0.00. Insertion scale millimeter or precision 0.0. Okay. Clear up to here. Understand this one. Function key. Here is a function key. Dynamic input. Ortho mode. Polar tracking. Object snap track. Object snap. Press F3. Object snap off. Next, press F8. Ortho mode here on, right? Press F8, ortho mode off. Next, grid line no need. F10. F10, polar angle off. F11, object tracking off. F12, dynamic input off. Clear up to here? To show this icon, right? Customize, tick mark here, right? Coordinate tick mark, model space, grid, dynamic input, ortho mode, polar tracking, object snap tracking, 2D object snap, line weight, transparency, selection cycling, annotation visibility, auto scale, annotation scale, workspace switching, unit, quick properties, graphic performance, clean screen. Clear up to here? Here all function key here off. First off change all function. Clear up to here? Here is a command line. Which command? First basic command, line command. Create a line using 2 points. Each segment of line, edit separately. Clear up to here? Line command, shortcut L. L for line. Enter. Specify first point. First point start 0, comma, 0. Enter. Clear up to here? Line start from the origin. In the first figure, from left to right side at a distance of 50. At a distance of x value 50, comma, y value 0. Left to right. Clear up here? Press enter to cancel line command. If you want to zoom, right? How to zoom it? Zoom command, Z enter. Zoom extend, E enter. Is it clear? This length of line, 50. Concept clear? Line command, L enter. First point, 0, 0. Y direction. Left to top. Clear up to here? X value here 0. comma y value 50. Enter. Z enter, E enter. Concept clear up to here? If a scrolling not work, what will do here? Here is an option. Zoom option. Zoom out. Zoom out. Clear up to here? Zoom in. Done. L enter. First point 0, 0. Right to left. X value negative. Minus 50, 0. Enter. L enter. 0, 0. Y reverse. X 0, y minus 50. Enter. Concept clear? L enter 0, 0. First quadrant 50, 50. Enter. L enter 0, 0. Second quadrant minus 50, 50. Enter. L enter 0, 0. Third quadrant minus 50, minus 50. Enter. L enter 0, 0. 50, minus 50. Fourth quadrant. X positive, Y negative. Enter. Concept clear up here? Understand? So this is for first figure completed. 3 example done. Okay? If you want to move XY plane, this is XY plane, XY plane, 2D plane, 2D view, right? XY. Select XY 2D view. How many grip point here? 3 grip point. Go to a square grip here. Go to a square grip, hold. Not click. Go to a square grip here, right? Square grip, hold. How many option here? Move and align, move origin only and one. Go to second option. Track the position. Clear up here. Again, escape. Select XY plane. Hold here. Move origin only, here drag. Concept clear up here? Understand? For making a rectangle, line command L enter. First point 0, 0. Next point 50, 0. 50, 30. 0, 30. 0, 0. Enter. Line start 0, 0. End with 0, 0. Select. Hold here. Origin here. Line command L enter for making a square 0, 0. 50, 0. 50, 50. 0, 50. 0, 0. Enter. XY, hold here, move origin only. To draw a triangle, line command L enter. First point 0, 0. Next point 50, 75. 50, 75. Zero, 75. 0, reverse direction, no problem, right? 0, 75. 0, 0. Enter. Concept clear this shape? This is for T square, right? Not T square, set square. This shape is set square, right? Hold here. L enter 0, 0. 50, 35. Is it clear? 50, 0. 50, 0. 0, comma 0. Enter. Select, hold here, move origin only. Concept clear up here. L enter 0, comma 0. Next point 50, comma 75. Here 100, comma 0. 100, comma 0. Right up here. 100, comma 0. Next 0, comma 0. Enter. This is making a triangle. Understand? So this is also triangle, but angle is a different. And here is a main triangle. Each side angle 60-degree distribution. Here 60 degree and here 90 degree. Clear up here? This side angular 45 degree. Here is also 45 degree. Clear up here? Understand totally? Z enter, E enter. Right total? Triangle shape complete. L enter. First point here 2, comma 1. First point, the starting value, x value 2, y value 1. Line start with 2, comma 1. Clear up here? 1 minute. Copy it. This example copy it. Example number 4. Solution 4. Solution 4. Two comma 1. Value enter 2, comma 1. Next 2, comma 7. Enter. Next 8, comma 7. Next 8, comma 6. Next 3, comma 6. Next 3, comma 2. Next 8, comma 2. Next 8, comma 1. Next 2, comma 1. Clear up here? Let's see. Execution. First point 2, comma 1. Second point 2, comma 7. Next 8, comma 7. Right. Right. Next. Right. Next. Right. Next. 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 2, comma 1. Enter. Every last step की enter. Z enter. Zoom window. W enter. First corner to other corner. How to zoom window? Z enter. W enter. One left click. One left click. Drag. Second point. Understand totally? If a scroll button not work. Right? Concept clear this one? Hold grip point. Move origin only. Clear up here. C profile completed. L profile. See here. L enter. Zero comma 100. 0, comma 100. 0, comma 0. 100, comma 0. 100, comma 20. 20, comma 20. 20, comma 100. 0, comma 100. Enter. Z enter. E enter. Concept clear? This is making a L profile. Clear now here? Okay. So next profile is F. L enter. First point 0, 0, 20, 0, 20, 40, 40, 40, 40, 60, 20, 60, 20, 100. Clear up here. 60, 100, 60, 120, 0, 120, 0, 0. Enter. Concept clear up here. F profile completed. So next profile is H. L enter. 0, 0, 20, 0, 20, 40, 40, 40, 40, 0, 40, 60, sorry, 60, 0, 60, 100. Clear up here. 40, 100, 40, 60, 20, 60, 20, 100, 0, 100, 0, 0. Enter. Concept clear up here. Age profile completed. Understand totally? Right. For making a E, L enter. First point 0, 0, 100, 0, 100, 20, 20, 20, 20, 40, 100, 40, 100, 60, 20, 60, 20, 80, 100, 80, 100, 100, 0, 100, 0, 0. Enter. Concept clear up here. E profile done. I profile L enter. 0, 0, 100, 0, 100, 20. So here in the center 20 gap. 100 minus 20, 80, right? One side 40, other side 40. 60, 20. Clear up here. 60, 60, 100. Right? 100, 100. 100, 120. Clear up here. 0, 120. 0, 100. 40, 100. 40, 20. 0, 20. 0, 0. Enter. Select, hold here, move origin only. If you want to check history in AutoCAD, press function F2 to check history of AutoCAD. Function F2 press can be clear up here. Whatever type command in command history visible. One second. Okay. See here. 0, 0, 50, 0, enter. Solution right now. Solution 1. 0, 0, 50, 0. Next step. Third step, enter. Press enter. Clear totally. Next, 0, 0, solution 2. 0, 0, 0, 50. Third step, press enter. Clear up here. Okay. Solution 3. 0, comma 0. Minus 50, comma 0. Press enter. Third step, press enter. Solution 4. 0, comma 0. 0, comma minus 50. Press enter. Solution 5. 0, comma 0. 50, comma 50. Press enter. Next solution 0, comma 0. Minus 50, comma 50. Press enter. Next solution 0, comma 0. Minus 50, comma minus 50. Press enter. Next solution 0, comma 0. Second step 50, comma minus 50. Press enter. Right up to here. Understand totally. Next solution 0, comma 0. 50, comma 0. 50, comma 30. 0, comma 30. 0, comma 0. Press enter. Understand totally. Next solution 0, comma 0. 50, comma 0. 50, comma 50. 0, comma 50. 0, comma 0. Press enter. Clear up to here? 1 minute. Okay. 0, comma 0. 50, comma 75. 50, comma 75. 50, comma 75. Over 0, comma 75. 0, comma 0. Press enter. Next solution 0, comma 0. 50, comma 75. Next 50, comma 0. Press enter. Clear up to here? 50, comma 0. 0, comma 0. 50, comma 0. 0, comma 0. Press enter. Clear up to here? So next solution, write down 0, comma 0. 0, comma 0. 50, comma 0. 50, comma 75. 75. Next 100, comma 0. 100, comma 0. Next 0, comma 0. Is it clear? Understand totally? This already completed this one. Yeah, write down. Next, L enter. First point 0, comma 100. 0, comma 100. 0, comma 0. 100, comma 0. 100, comma 20. 20, comma 20. 20, comma 100. 0, comma 100. Next step, press enter. Clear up to here? Next solution, write down 0, comma 0. 20, comma 0. 20, comma 40. 40, comma 40. 40, comma 60. 20, comma 60. 20, comma 100. 60, comma 100. 60, comma 120. 0, comma 120. 0, comma 0. Next step, press enter. Try it up to here. Again 0, comma 0. 20 comma 0, 20 comma 40, 40 comma 40, 40 comma 0, 40 comma 60, not 40 comma 60 over na, clear up to here, 60 comma 0, clear, 60 comma 100, 40 comma 100, 40 comma 60, 40 comma 60, 20 comma 60, 20 comma 100, 0 comma 100, 0 comma 0. Right up to here, press enter. Done totally. Next write down 0 comma 0, 100 comma 0, 100 comma 20, 20 comma 20, 20 comma 40, 100 comma 40, 100 comma 60, 20 comma 60, 20 comma 80, 100 comma 80, 100 comma 100, 0 comma 100, 0 comma 0. Press enter. Clear up to here. 1 minute. So write down next 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, 100 comma 0, 100 comma 20, 60 comma 20, 60 comma 100, 100 comma 100, 100 comma 120, 0 comma 120, 0 comma 100, 40 comma 100, 40 comma 100, 40 comma 20, 0 comma 20, 0 comma 0. Next step, press enter. Right. Completed. Example over now. Copy the shape in the notebook. 1 minute. Then enter in. Copy it. Copy it. This shape, copy it. This shape, copy. Rectangle, square, set square, triangle, L, F, H, E. This is a basic drawing, right? Fundamental drawing. If you have command for this fundamental drawing, complicated drawing very easy to draw. F, H, E, I. Clear up to here? There is a problem facing, right? Z enter, W enter. Copy at this one. C profile. Concept clear? So go to lab and practice. Open the system and practice it. Okay. In laptop, AutoCAD is there. Installation laptop bring today. Understand not today concept? Okay, right.